In the pursuit of solace and tranquility, one often finds themselves drawn towards the embrace of nature. As Ralph Waldo Emerson once eloquently stated, in every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. These profound words encapsulate the profound impact that nature has on our lives, offering an abundance of gifts that surpass our initial intentions. When we venture into the great outdoors, seeking respite from the chaos of modern existence, we are greeted by an enchanting symphony of sights, sounds, and sensations. The gentle rustling of leaves, the melodious chirping of birds, and the soothing rush of a flowing stream all converge to create a harmonious tapestry that awakens our senses and rejuvenates our spirits. Yet, nature's benevolence extends far beyond its aesthetic allure. As we immerse ourselves in its embrace, we discover a profound sense of connection and belonging. The vastness of the wilderness humbles us, reminding us of our place in the grand scheme of things. We realize that we are but a small part of a much greater whole, and our worries and troubles seem to fade away in the face of such magnificence. Moreover, nature has an uncanny ability to heal and nurture our weary souls. Its serene landscapes and untouched beauty offer a sanctuary for introspection and self-discovery. In the midst of towering trees and sprawling meadows, we find solace and clarity, allowing us to reflect on our lives, goals, and aspirations. Nature becomes a trusted confidant, patiently listening to our thoughts and offering gentle guidance. In this fast-paced world, where technology reigns supreme and stress permeates every aspect of our lives, nature provides a much-needed respite. It offers a sanctuary where we can escape the demands of daily life, allowing us to recharge and reconnect with our inner selves. In its embrace, we find peace, inspiration, and a renewed sense of purpose.